Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just got my hair done yesterday, so I got rid of all the yellow goldness and it's nice and cool toned. And I cut a little bit off too. It seems short, but I think it's not too bad. It needed a good trim. So anyways, I'm really excited to unbox with you guys today my Ipsys for February. So I used to get all three of the Ipsy bags. The regular one is $12. They have the Glam bag plus, which is this middle-sized one for $25, I believe. And then they also do the ultimate for $50. And I've unboxed the ultimate a few months now since it started, and I've just been consistently disappointed with that big box. So I decided, for my sake, I'm just gonna do the two smaller ones because I'm usually pretty pleased with them. So I have both of them here to show you guys. Let's see what we got. So we'll go and start with the smallest Ipsy first. This one's the $12 bag. This one really never lets me down. Honestly, I think it's such a good bag for the price. Sometimes you get surprise like full-size items. So this month we have this almost like very soft plush bag. It's really cute for Valentine's Day. Let's see, we did get a card here. It says, "Feel the love, that warm fuzzy feeling you get from being in love. Feel it every day in the littlest of things. From pampering your skin with a multi-step routine to savoring your morning coffee, every moment is an opportunity to show yourself how much you love you." Cute. Okay, so it's all about treat yourself. Yeah, the first thing I got is actually from the brand Dr. Frog. I've never heard of this before. It is their water full charge. It says all-in-one. So what's really interesting about this is kind of like an all-in-one kind of moisturizer. Like you don't need extra steps with serums and stuff, which is really cool. The card says the hyaluronic acid and ceramide based formula functions as a toner, lotion, essence, and cream to give you plump, hydrated, and dewy skin in one step. Very cool. I'm really excited to try this. This brand seems like it would be really nice, and it's a Korean skincare brand. We also got another skincare item. This one is from MURAD, which I love. This is their Renewing Eye Cream. The full size of this is very expensive, $82. Of course, this is a very small deluxe size. This says that it helps brighten, minimize fine lines, and reduce puffiness thanks to peptides, retinol, and iris root extract. Very cool. I feel like I have some really good skincare I can take with me on my trip to Florida. Although this is really small, but at the same time, eye cream I hardly ever go through. It takes me forever. So I feel like that would be, I guess, a decent amount that will last me a while. So pretty cool. I'm excited to try that as well. Next up, we got a makeup item from IBY Beauty. This is their Radiant Glow Highlighter. I've tried a couple of their highlighters before. I don't know if I've tried this one. It says that it's in the shade Prosecco. I've been introduced to their products from going to different Ipsy events, actually. So this one is what Prosecco looks like. Very pretty. It's like the perfect size of highlighter. It's so soft. And then the swatch here, this is going to be a really good summer one. It's a little bit more of a golden, but I definitely can make it work. It almost reminds me kind of like Champagne Pop from Becca. Very nice. I like that a lot. We also got here a full size from, I think, Half Caked is the brand. I think I've gotten one of these before, but it says Half Caked Super Glazed in Semi Charm, so maybe it is a lip gloss. But the packaging on these is adorable. I'll show you guys. It's so cute. It has a little donut here with the C. This retails for $10, so that's pretty cool. Oh, and I love the color too. Really cute packaging. Now, I'm surprised it doesn't smell like cake. It actually smells like fruit, but I do like it. Okay, so this is a pretty thick kind of gloss. It definitely is very pigmented, but I like that it's kind of a neutral pink, so I definitely think I'll get a lot of use out of that, and it's very nice to get a full size in our $12 Ipsy. And then last but not least, I have another skincare item. This is actually from IT Cosmetics. This is a new product, so I'm very excited to try this. It's their Your Skin But Better Primer Plus. It says oil-free makeup gripping base. It says it gets your skin healthy and glowy from the inside out. The oil-free formula hydrates and helps refine pores. Plus, it's so light you'll barely feel it on your skin. So I think I got a pretty good bag. I'm excited to try all those items, and I really think the bag is cute. Forgot to show you, but they put the little Ipsy logo on the inside, so I'm really pleased with this month's small bag. So let's see what we got in our $25 box. And we'll just start off with another MURAD product right away. So we got a full size this time. This is the Essential C Day Moisture with SPF 30. I have been seeing a lot of MURAD at TJ Maxx. I don't know, I might have seen this one there, I'm sure, but I haven't tried this. Personally, I love trying different vitamin C products, and like I said, I really like MURAD, and this one has SPF 30, which is great, so it seems like it's going to be a really good product. This has a value of $65. I'm really excited about this. I need a good daily kind of moisturizer with vitamin C, because I always hear people saying that vitamin C is like the best thing for your skin in the mornings. All right, next up, we'll just go to the next exciting thing, which is probably the most exciting thing in this box. I actually picked this out because you get to choose items. You get to choose like one item in your box, but this is actually from Dominique Cosmetics, which is really exciting. I have her latte palette, really enjoy it. And this is her sweater weather palette, which is so pretty. I remember this came out for the holidays, and I just thought the packaging was everything. It's literally a sweater. So darn cute. And it's like textured. I really like this. And then the inside, this is an all matte palette, which is kind of cool. The shades in here are very fun. I actually like that it's more kind of cool tones. You have these mauves, purples. I don't usually wear all matte palettes too often, but I feel like this will kind of get me out of my comfort zone and try something new with this. So I'm very excited. I'll go ahead and swatch this whole palette for you. It does retail for $29. Oh, they swatch so good. I love Dominique Cosmetics shadows. I really want to get her Latte 2 palette, but I'm holding out just in case we see it in a subscription box, because I know she's worked with both Ipsy and a BoxyCharm. So who knows? Maybe we will see that one soon, because I know she put it in the Trend Mood box. But overall, the colors look really nice. Sorry, my swatches, every time I do this, I like swatch straight on, and then I am like, oh wait, my arm turns, and yeah, my swatches go sideways. But you know, you get the idea, really. So excited that we got this in our Ipsy. Next, I got a product from MAKIAGE. I actually have never tried their stuff. I don't know. I've chatted with them before in emails, and I don't know, I just felt like they were a little bit rude to me, so I kind of like didn't want to work with them anymore. So they did send me their ink liner though. I've heard people talk about their stuff, but not like consistently, so I'm not quite sure how I'm going to think about their stuff. I'm not a big liquid eyeliner fan, to be honest. I would have loved to try something else from the line. But this retails for $21, and let's see. It does have a really precise tip. That's always important. I will swatch it for you. So maybe this could be good. I'll probably try it out. I kind of want to try doing wing liner again. I don't know. I used to wear it all the time when I first started YouTube, but I just stopped, and now I suck at it. So we'll see. I also got, it looks like a lipstick. This is from Touch and Soul. This is their Soul Velvet lipstick. Ooh, let's see what shade this is. Very cute packaging. It says Pretty Filter Soul Velvet Lipstick, and this is the shade. It's kind of a rosy tone pink, very Valentine's Day appropriate. Oh wow, it swatches really nice. It kind of has a matte finish, but it's very pigmented. This retails for $16. Very cool. We also got, sorry, this got wet because I have a makeup wipe in here, but I think these are brushes. So it comes in this little cardboard packaging. Okay, so we got a whole set of brushes here from the brand LAROUSSE. First up is their flat foundation brush. They do have kind of these fun textured handles. I love these kind of brushes that are flat on top. That's what I always use. It's kind of like the Sigma F80 brush that I use, but maybe a little bit longer. This brush set retails for $154. Really? Wow, that's very pricey. I also got the Angle Contour. The next one we got is this kabuki, which would be nice for blending out concealer. And then we got this guy, which is the shadow. And then it came with a tapered blending. So you got a good variety of stuff to use. This one I wish was a little bit more firm. I don't like my blending brushes like flopping around. But I don't know, that seems so expensive for a brush set, but I am happy to get it and try it out. And then they also included a little bag this month, which kind of seems random. I kind of wish they wouldn't do the bags, even though I know Ipsy's all about bags. Like maybe just do the bag for the small one and just the boxes for the regular ones, because I just don't use these a ton. I actually like the bag better for the small box this month. But overall, I think we got a really good Glam bag plus, a good variety of stuff. I'm really excited for the Dominique Cosmetics palette, so that definitely made the box worth it for me. So I think it was a pretty good month for Ipsy. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'll have any links if you guys want to check it out. I definitely recommend the Glam bag plus and the regular. Not the ultimate. That one is definitely a fail for me. It's just so expensive, and you do get a lot of stuff for the money, but it just seems like junk sometimes. Like, I'm like, oh, this is too much, you know? So those are my thoughts. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.